Over now she's gone. Drop something. Yeah, let's not ask him for selfies now because it's like raining and they're gonna get so clear. Because that's gonna work out so well. You try already.
I did. Me too.
I want to. Yeah. See? Yeah. Thank you. Oh, I don't know why you guys look like vampires, okay? I like my skin tone.
Sorry about that.
Hi, I'm here too. I don't want to go any further either.
Guess what?
You want to run?
No,
No, she's right.
yeah, but you just left her.
Yeah. Now why'd you drag it like that?
I wasn't making
Anybody want to?
We're scurrying down the line.
I'll be the RO and then the C and then
Courtney. I don't know, figure it out, though.
Wait.
But natural.
This is all.
Okay, who's down?
Maybe it's like angle a little.
Okay, so let's go over to the left next time.
Oh.
After the
I'm standing so awkwardly to be in your guys'
Ah! Okay.
Stop the slow pivot.
Oh yeah. Yeah, this is cool.
Are you still focusing on that? Teka po lang. He wants to see the bed that was gonna put the baby stroller.
Oh no. Here's that bar. I saw you.
Nobody saw. It's okay. Nobody saw. I'm gonna get up on that level after this.
Oh, so with this.
That's what I said!
No, I'm trying to like. Okay, so I'm.
Did anyone see the child running forward? How are we not seeing this?
Because there's
Are we doing this? I'll stand up my toes.
Oh, shrink. Yeah. Oh, we look like this. We
Arigato.
look like this.
that.
We look like this.
Here I go. Yo, the kid right here.
Whilst Arya and I talking, we like on here.
I